Hey, so this is my simple recipe on how to make kombucha. So the first thing that we'll be doing is making the mother, and then after that I'll show you how to brew the kombucha itself. So the first thing that we're going to need is about a gallon glass jar, some sort of covering for it, and a rubber band. You can use cheesecloth or maybe a washcloth. Here we got about a cup of sugar, cup and a half, and then your favorite tea, and then a bottle of kombucha. I'm using a Himalayan white tea. You can use any type of tea you like though. So next we're going to heat the water up on the stove and get it to a boil. After that, we want to bag our tea. So I usually use kind of like this cloth bag. You could use bag tea as well, but I prefer the loose leaf. Once that's done heating up, we'll sterilize the jar. The water helps sterilize it as well since it's boiling. Now while that's hot, we'll add the cup of sugar, stir it, and then you'll want to add your tea bag for about 15 to 20 minutes and let it brew. Once it's done, take that out, and then cover it up and let it cool down. So once it's cool, we're going to add the kombucha bottle that we got. I add about half of it. And you're going to want to store this in a nice, cool, dark place for about 2 to 3 weeks while that mother grows. You can check on it here and there and see if it's doing well. Once those 2 to 3 weeks is up, you should have something that looks like this. And that's your kombucha mother that you'll use to brew more kombucha. So the next ingredients that you'll need is about a 2-gallon glass jar, a covering with a band, your favorite tea, I'm using the Himalayan again, the mother, with about a cup of the liquid from the last jar, and then about 2 cups of sugar. So you'll want to heat up the water, get it to a nice boil. Repeat the process, heat it up, sterilize your jar of course, add your sugar, stir the sugar in. Let the tea bag brew for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the tea bag. Once it's cooled, you'll want to add the mother and the liquid. Then cover it up. You want to store it in a cool, dark place for about 2 to 3 weeks. And then after that, you save the mother and you can repeat the process. So bottle up the kombucha and there you go. That's just a simple kombucha recipe. You can do more advanced stuff like adding herbs or fruit, but this is what I do just to have a simple drink for the summertime. It's real nice and refreshing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.